First and foremost, most YouTubers are too scared to make a video like this. So I would argue that they're all cowards. There's a lot going on right now, and people have been demanding my opinion. Everyone keeps saying, I know there's a lot going on, but what is Uncle Rich's opinion on this? Can he make sense of this? He is a beacon of shining light in these very dark times we're facing. First of all, I'm a man of my word, and there's a very, very, very nice goth woman coming onto the channel. Her name is Shadow Raven or something stupid like that, but you will be seeing her very, very soon. We've been chatting it up online, having a really good time, and we're actually going to meet up in person real soon. So stay tuned for that. In this day and age, social media is the worst. I truly believe the internet was a mistake. I think emails are great, or creeping on your ex-girlfriend's bikini photos, that is also okay. But giving every single person a platform for their opinions, that's where we messed up. The internet is free, but sometimes you get what you pay for. And then you have all these free thinkers. And if you notice carefully, for the free thinkers, you could only think freely if you agree with them. Then they make content that reinforces their perspective heavily. But it's always the same playbook, like break out of the system and don't listen to authority and think for yourself. But at the same time, join my podcast for more information. Why don't you buy some merch to help support the cause? Buy my mug, buy my magic beans. I'm here to give you some serious advice about this. Number one, use your head. Use your head very carefully. Think concisely and think logically. Number two, use your heart. Think to yourself very carefully. If I respond to this, am I going to hurt someone? Am I hurting myself? What am I really doing here? And the third very important thing you need to do right now is use your hands to go online and buy my book. Over 15 people have bought this book so far, and don't get left behind. All jokes aside, I am a true believer in free thinking. Don't let anyone tell you how to live. Don't let anyone box you in. Don't let anyone tell you what to believe unless it's me. And I have a special announcement right now. In my hand, I have Articles of Incorporation. I'm officially starting my own church, so you could hear more about this. Hear more about this great word and thinking for yourself by joining Uncle Rich's church. That is not the official name yet. I can't reveal the name yet, okay? But it's coming very soon. I'm going to have a group of followers, and I will guide them because people need guidance, all right? Uncle Rich's church, coming soon.
Buy the book.